Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, it is already 2:35 and I received this box package. Okay, so it is now already 4:25 and I just had my lunch, already took a shower, and now I am going to unbox this in the bun. And before we unbox this, let me show you how it is inside my bun. The wall is like that. I have this sink, this table, and this is my bed. Yeah, not yet finished. And I have this curtain to rebuild the cockpit of my Volkswagen Transporter. Yeah, the packaging is totally secured. And this is it. Yeah, amazing. It looks futuristic. Okay, I have another cutter. Let me use the cutter. This one is much better. And in here, you're going to see that it does 360-degree recording, motion tracking, superb night vision, full-featured parking mode. Amazing, huh? And built-in voice assistant. And this is what it is. Inside the box is the dash cam, the power cord, the charger, the wiring crowbar, 2 electrostatic sticker, and a user manual. 2 adhesive sticker, where the other one is already installed in the mount of the camera. We are going to the marina, and that's where I am going to install this dash cam. I want the very first footages to be the marina area. Yeah, not this wall. And we are now here in the Albura Marina. And this is where I am going to install this dash cam. Yeah, the good thing about this dash cam is very easy to install. I mean, you don't need anything that is not coming from the box. Remember that this dash cam does 360-degree recording. That's why I really need to figure out the best place for this camera to be installed. I think just here is good. If you notice that one, there is the mount. So I'm going to install the dash cam just right under the rear view mirror. Yeah, I have here a cleaning cloth to really make it clean, this area. Okay, now it's clean. If you can see, but this one will be on the top when you put it on the windshield. And that is how it is. Once it is installed, you can actually tilt it, move it like that. Make sure that the camera, the lens is facing to the windshield, the monitor or the screen is facing to the rear view mirror. And that is how it looks like in here. Really nice. It doesn't look like a camera. I mean, it is more looks like a CCTV. Let's have a look outside. So basically, that is how it is outside. Now I'm going to put the cable, the USB-C to connect to the camera, and this cable, you're going to hide it somewhere here using this wiring crowbar. So I'm going to push it all the way there. Yeah, and I was able to hide it. And I will just keep on finding a way to keep it inside here. And then we'll go all the way to the side. Yo, good morning guys. Actually, good afternoon. Yeah, it is already 12:15 and I'm going to work now. My duty is still at 2 o'clock, but yeah, I want to drive with my new dash cam. We're just going to drive around the town before going to work. I don't know if there is the noise, the wind noise, because at the moment the window is actually open. It is summer this time here in Australia, and so it's a little bit busy. Let's close the window so that we have a nice audio. And I think what you're hearing now is my voice and the noise of the air condition. And you know, one of the good features of this dash cam is the voice command, like this one: shoot left. You see that? It is now recording the left side of the road, which is the marina area. Amazing. It will record for about 10 seconds and then it will go back to the front like that. And this is how it is at the moment. Yeah, a lot of vehicles here and also a lot of people at the beach. Really nice. Shoot left. Yeah, that left side, that's the fly point where the people does the snorkeling and scuba diving. And one of the best feature is this one, record a vlog. Or it's not like that, maybe shoot a vlog. Or maybe you don't understand my accent. Shoot a vlog. Okay, it will, and now it is now shooting a vlog. And
get ready to say hi to the camera.
yeah, that's the one. Hello, how are you? Yeah, you'll notice also that the video quality is really good, crisp and clear. Yeah, I don't know if you've seen my previous car, my Suzuki Jimny. Yeah, the dash cam that I was using is the same brand, 70Mi A800S. Yeah, that one is good too, but yeah, I sold it together with the Suzuki Jimny. And we are now here in Pingal Bay. Shoot left. We are now entering in the town center of Nelson Bay.
Attention to pedestrians.
And if you can hear that, there is also some kinds of warnings. Yeah, this also comes with ADAS. Look, it is going to speak again.
Attention to pedestrians.
Yeah, that's the one. So we are now here in Corlet. Yeah, Corlet is like a more modern parts of Bay Area of Port Stephens. Lots of beautiful houses here. So we have been driving now for almost 1 hour, and I am worried about the footages because you know this dash cam only have 32 GB built-in memory. So it means that it keeps on recording and overwriting all the previous footages. And that's why we need to stop now and transfer the footages to my smartphone. And we are now entering in the area of Salamander Bay. Yeah, Salamander Bay is where the shopping mall is located. I hope that the audio of this dash cam is good, because not good audio is not good to watch. Shoot left. And this is where we are going to stay for the moment. Yeah, I basically set the screen to be the time, but you can actually change it and set it to different things. When I was editing the video last night, I noticed that I lost some footages, especially doing the cable. So basically the cable connected it here, hiding over here, all the way to the side this way, and it's actually inside all the way down here. Yeah, and in here, I don't know if you can, one moment. Yeah, this is the one, this is the cable, and I hide it under that, and it is now here connected to the cigarette outlet. Yeah, and there is one more space for the USB. And the other way to power it is using the hard wire. Basically this one you'll connect it to the dash cam, and then this one you'll connect it to the cable somewhere inside of this band. And once it is installed already, there will be more security features. Yeah, and that is amazing. Now I'm going to open the 70Mi app. This is the one. If you open that, you need to connect, and now it's connected, and this is basically the view at the moment. Yeah, amazing. It is really good. Here there is the camera. If you press that, it will take photo. If you press this, it will show you the gallery. Shoot that. I don't know if you can hear the sound. Yeah, I was supposed to stay there, park there, but a lot of cars over. Yeah, that's the one. It's really nice. Yeah, I like the sound actually. And then there are different options where you can put RS visual effects, or download, or delete. And then here there is another option. If you press that, it is going to calibrate the camera. I will show you. Press, and the camera will be moving. I'm really enjoying this camera, Dash Cam. Good evening, guys. It is already, actually 10 minutes to 8 o'clock, but outside it is still bright. Yeah, and we are going out to try the night vision of this Omni Dash Cam. Okay, so yeah, I just bought this. Do you know that this dash cam is actually equipped with the parking surveillance? It means that it is able to detect the human around the car. Depending on the distance, it detects the motion, and once it is becoming very close to the car, it becomes suspicious. The dash cam will continue recording that person. Amazing, right? Yeah, it's so good. I'm very happy with this dash cam.